Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video guys, I would like to inform everyone that I have received new citation on my article about machine learning. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. I've been a researcher for a certain period of time. One of my research is related to human resource information system. Last February 27, I received this alert, new citation to my articles. This will be my eighth citation in Google Scholar. So the article who cited my research is entitled Machine Learning for Enhanced Agricultural Productivity and Food Security, a review. So basically, this machine learning is rapidly transforming agriculture, offering promising solutions for enhancing productivity and contributing to global food security. This review examines the diverse applications of ML across agricultural domains. So it was written by researchers Odensi, Akubundo, Ayani, Chikoye, Third International Conference. So basically, in my research paper, Human Resource Information System with Machine Learning Integration, I published that way back in 2022. I have already 8 citation in Y1 high index. Okay, so if you want, just search my paper here in Google Scholar, and then I have also here last year hybrid learning model based on machine learning, and then with my co-author Ma'am Ria Balontong and Sir Andrim Balontong, C45 decision tree algorithm and linear regression in guidance counseling and decision support system. Your support is highly appreciated. Thank you so much for watching guys. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys if you are new by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.